again. I feel it in waves, you follow me, drifting to places I should leave. So close to the edge of something so perfect. We were too scared to take the leap, and missing the way we used to be. Let me go, let me in this mess I'm falling. Never know, can't find a reason why. Couldn't get any closer, can't find a reason why. Couldn't get any closer, can't find a reason why. Couldn't get any closer.
Yo guys, what is up? This is right here. Welcome back to another video, guys. So yup, as you've seen the intro, you know which car it is. So this was the car which I was talking about, guys. This is that special car which I was talking about. I've even put a story on Instagram that I've received a package on Amazon. This is that car, guys. As you've seen it in the intro. Well, I'll just take this cover off right here. Boom, guys, what do you think? This is such an amazing car. Like, just take a look at it. It's so beautiful. So, yeah, guys, before we get into the car which I have right now, why don't we just talk about the last week's video real quick? So, yeah, what was the last week's video? It was about the 2014's Audi Q5, guys. So, I made a testing video about that. You can check it out. I've even given few ratings for it according to its speed and handling, so you can check that out too. And yup, guys, so coming up to today's, okay, so this car is, you know, a Porsche Carrera GT. Not exactly, if you go with the roof wise, it doesn't look so similar to it, but still it matches it. So yup, it's from Webby Toys, guys. So they make really good drift cars. So I really can't wait to unbox this thing. It even comes with some kind of a, you know, coating for the plastic, which is just in front of it, like right here. So that's really amazing thing which protects the car. So yep, guys, why don't we unbox this thing right away, right now? So yep, let's go for it. Wow, guys, take a look at this car. It's so amazing. Like actually, it just, like, the front view of the car, the total view really excited me up. Wow. Even though it has a lack of detailing at the front and, yeah, of course, the rear, but still, this car looks really glossy, guys. That's the plus point on this car. The yellow color really brings out that gloss. Like, I mean, look at it. And of course, you've got the skull type stickering out there with a kind of a black dot. Yup, it's quite cool on this car. It looks amazing, like it matches it. Well, you've got the drifting car kind of writing at the top. You've got super fine power on the spoiler, and you have there's no much detailing at the back, which is, it kind of lacks at the detailing at the back. So yup, that's it to describe about the car. And of course, you get the side view mirrors, quite rubber type, which is quite a bit of attention to detail. Well, yep, guys, going up to the package inclusives, guys. So yep, this is the kind of a topics which I'm gonna add for almost all the RC cars. So yep, going up to the package inclusive, at first you get a battery, of course, for the car. That's a 700 mAh 4.8 volt NICD battery, which is quite similar to the audio there, which I last time bought, but that lacks power. Well, going up to the next one, you get an extra set of tires, guys. That's the plus point on this car. These are actually kind of like the grip tires. Like, they come with immense grip, and those on the car are the drift tires, guys. They're quite smooth, so they can skid on floors and all. And yup, taking apart that, you've got the remote. It's a fully functional remote. Yup, it's quite similar to the Lamborghini and of course the Audi R8, which I did a long time ago. Well, yep guys, coming up to the next, you get an adjustable antenna, guys, which is seriously cool. Like, you can control the frequency, and of course you get the remote batteries, and not so much interesting, and you get the charger too, guys. The charger is quite interesting. It has kind of lines drawn on it, which is quite good, and yep, it's just like all the normal chargers right there. So yep guys, as we have seen all the components or the package inclusives which come with the car, why don't we move on to its features and details? So yup, let's see what's this car packing in its performance package. So yup, let's go for it. Okay, guys, so coming up to the features and details of this Porsche Carrera GT right here, why don't we start off with the first one? So let's see what this car's got under the hood. So at first here it tells that this car can perform a U-shape and an H-shape drift. So it's also mentioned in the box right here. I hope most of the people notice it. It's the U-shape drift, which the cars drift like this in a U-type, and the H-shape drift, which goes circles around forming a number 8. So that's quite cool on this car, and this is the common U-shaped drift, which most of the people know. So yeah guys, going up to the second feature, guys, this car comes with a bottom neons, guys. That's so amazing. Like these dots right here, can you notice them? Those are the lights which flash up once you're on the car. So that's the best thing on this car. Like, it's so cool. And well guys, coming up to the third feature, guys, it also has headlamps and tail lamps. I'm not talking about the cover, but still it comes with LEDs at the front and also at the rear, guys. That's so cool. It comes with neons and also the headlamps and tail lamps, which most of the cars don't get. So coming up to the next one, guys, this one's quite common. It comes with interchangeable wheels, so that's, you can just screw this off, like you can just take the drift tires off and put this high professional gripped ones if you just want to experience speed. Well, moving on to the next one, guys. The next one here is the by far best feature in this car. It comes with all-wheel drive system, guys. You heard me. It's all-wheel drive. Like, if you still don't believe me, take a look at this. Yes, you can see the rear tire rotate, and I'm not doing anything, guys. It's just wow on this car. It comes with such a good feature. What else do you need in a drift car? So yeah guys, that was the best feature on this car, so the all-wheel drive system. And coming up to the last thing in the features and details, guys, it comes with front wheel suspension for stability, guys. That's so cool. Like, I'm speechless. Like, what else can you say? This many features in this 124 scale car, that's amazing. Like, look at this. Wow, that's really gonna help for the car. Like, I think so. Well, we'll see. So yep guys, as I've ended up all the spec and features and details of this car, so I hope I helped you. If you guys see this car in the market and if you're planning to buy it, this is the video. First watch this and yep, you can move on to purchase the car. So you know what to do. I've ended up my video right here. Just hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and share all your friends and family. I'll see you all next week with the testing video of this Porsche Carrera drift car right here. So it's gonna be thrill. Till then, stay tuned and enjoy your weekend. Bye bye.